Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger notifications delayed. If your Messenger notifications are delayed, like messages arrive late, or you only get notifications when opening the app, the cause is usually battery optimization, background restrictions, network issues, or app settings. So, first, let's go to settings. So, open settings, and once you're on settings, scroll down and go to general. Then from here, scroll down and look for background app refresh. So open background app refresh, then scroll down and look for Messenger. So when you see Messenger in here, turn on background app refresh on Messenger just like so. Next, go back to settings. Then from here, scroll up and go to Wi-Fi. Now check internet connection so you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also disable VPN temporarily if you're using one. Now close settings and let's go to Messenger. So from here, tap on menu at the bottom right, then go to settings, then scroll down to notifications and sounds, and make sure do not disturb is disabled, just like so, and turn on all of these notifications at the bottom, especially show previews. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching.